Packing for an international trip? Don't overpack, don't forget anything. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to pack in the most efficient way and how to avoid those last minute panics. Hello and welcome back to our channel for another video. If you are planning an international trip from India, this video is going to be a practical guide for you. This is based upon our real life experiences, and very soon we are traveling to Laos. So anyway, we were going to pack and I thought that I'll share my checklist and my travel packing hacks with you. All these things are not specific to any country, तो अगर आप कहीं पे भी travel कर रहे हो, these hacks are going to come in really handy and it is going to be very useful as a checklist for your future trips. So don't forget to watch it till the very end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We have divided this video into simple categories in which we will share everything like travel essentials, clothing, travel packing hacks, trips and even the documents that you would need to carry with you. So don't forget to watch it till the end to get some insights on these important tips. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Our first category is clothing. Number one and very important thing of how to decide your clothing is researching your destination. तो आप जहाँ पर भी जा रहे हो उस प्लेस के वेदर और टेम्परेचर और वहाँ के जो लोकल रूल्स होते हैं आप उनको रिसर्च करना मत भूलो. लाइक इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू अ कोल्ड प्लेस इन विंटर सीजन देन डू कैरी जैकेट्स, थर्मल्स, एक्स्ट्रा लेयर्स टू कीप यू वार्म. और अगर आप किसी प्लेस पे रेनी सीजन में जा रहे हो देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू कीप योर रेन कोट्स, अम्ब्रेलाज एंड क्लोथ्स विच कैन ईजिली ड्राई अप. अदर देन वेदर देर आर ऑल्सो अदर फैक्टर्स विच यू शुड कीप इन माइंड while packing. Some of them like country specific rules or the religious places that you are traveling to. So there might be some places where you would like to dress modestly, so don't forget to pack accordingly. For example, we are traveling to Laos which has a dry season and the activities that we have planned has a mix of temple visits, some trekkings and even some waterfalls and nature sites. तो उसके लिए we have also kept some modest clothing for the temples and comfortable clothing for the trekking and casual wear for other outings. इन सब क्लोथिंग्स को हमने डे वाइज डिवाइड किया है एंड फ्यू डेज के लिए हमने ऐसे पैकेजेस बनाए हैं सो दैट वी डोंट हैव टू ओपन एंटायर बैग एट वंस. So this pack is going to hold my next 2 days of clothing. By this, I am going to save a lot of packing space in my bag. Also, it is going to be super organized because हम वहाँ पे multiple cities change कर रहे होंगे. तो I won't have to open entire bag and search for what I am going to wear today. I am going to be planned. I'll pick out my day one bag and I'll be ready to go. Next thing to remember is about the footwear. सो आप जैसे भी प्लेस पे जा रहे हो आपको उस टाइप का फुटवेयर्स कैरी करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग अ हाइकिंग और अ ट्रैकिंग ट्रिप डोंट फॉरगेट टू carry your most comfortable shoes. Even if you are going to a walkable city where you are planning to cover the entire city just by walking, then don't forget to wear those soft cushiony shoes. Or if you are going to a party place where you are just going to go out in the evenings, you can wear your heels or any kind of footwear. And if you are going to beaches, don't forget your flip-flops and waterproof footwears. Also, remember that for a 8 to 9 days of trip, you don't need to pack your entire wardrobe. You have to mix and match. For example, you can repeat your trousers with multiple tops. And don't forget to pack spare clothing and nightwear. Sometimes keeping a little of spare clothes can be helpful, especially if you are planning to do water activities. That's about clothing. Now let's move to our second section, which is toiletries and basic essentials. तो उसके लिए आई एम गोइंग टू कैरी दिस किट जिसमें कि मेरा बेसिक फेस वॉश, मॉइस्चराइज़र, सनस्क्रीन जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रैवल इन समर और पूरा दिन बाहर घूमना पड़ता है तो इट इज़ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप. सो ऐसी बेसिक चीज़ें रहने वाली हैं. ऑल्सो इसी में ही आप अपनी बेसिक ग्रूमिंग किट और पर्सनल हाइजीन स्टफ भी रख सकते हो सो दैट यू डोंट फॉरगेट इट एंड इट्स ऑल हैंडी इन वन बैग. तो आपको ढूंढने में भी मुश्किल नहीं होगी. Along with this, I am going to keep my makeup kit as separate because कुछ चीज़ें आपको एकदम से handy चाहिए हो सकती हैं. So my makeup kit and my toothbrush can go together in my handy bag. So these are all your toiletries and makeup section. Now let's move to the third section. Now let's move on to a very important category, which is medicine and first aid. This is extremely important and forgetting this can ruin your trip. In this kit, we are carrying all the important medicines that can be useful. Hopefully, you might not use it, but what if you do? So better to keep all the basic medicines that you can need, like fever, headache, stomach, then body pain. उसके अलावा you can carry ORS or anything to keep you hydrated. Next item is band-aids, which is non-negotiable. I think everyone should have it handy. Then basic first aid like gauges, and also thermometer. This is again very important item. You should not miss keeping it in your medical kit. Other than this, if you have any prescribed medicines that you take on daily basis, don't forget to keep that for your entire trip duration. What if you don't find it there? So it's better to keep it and carry it from your own country. Also, if you are traveling to a tropical place or anywhere on a countryside, don't forget to carry mosquito repellent. This is going to be very useful for you and you are going to thank me later for that. Let's move on to the next topic, which is electronics and gadgets. Again, this is very important topic. It takes very less space, but it is very important. If you forget any of these are like essentials and you might not be able to survive without these. First one on my list is this universal travel adapter. So your regular electronics with Indian plugs might not go with the sockets that they have in different countries. So I would suggest you to carry a universal adapter, and it has different kind of pins which you can carry and use in different kind of countries. So हमने ऐसे वाले 2 ले रखे हैं because it's very useful. अगर आप multiple phones या multiple चीज़ें एक टाइम पे चार्ज कर रहे हो, you might need these kind of converters. Next is this extension cord. Again, this is very important because आपको अगर multiple चीज़ें एक टाइम पे चार्ज करनी है, after your long trip you want to charge your phone, your power bank, and you want to use other gadgets, you would need one extension cord which you can keep it near your bed and use. Next is power bank. So अगर आप पूरा दिन कहीं बाहर travel करने वाले हो, this is going to be very useful because you might not get time to charge your phone. So keeping it handy is going to save you, and mostly because we are traveling, we might need to use Google Maps or location. Everywhere we need to use our phone and it might drain out very easily. So it's better to keep it handy with you. Next thing in my gadget kitty is this tripod stand, and to click our couple pictures and videos we need a tripod stand and a Bluetooth clicker which comes in very handy. So we don't forget this in any of our trips. Apart from this, whatever gadgets you are carrying, don't forget to keep the chargers like your regular phone charger. If you are carrying a camera, charger for that, memory card, all these things that you usually use in your trip. So don't forget to carry those gadgets, and to keep all of these, don't forget to carry a waterproof bag so that you can keep all these things safe. Also remember that power bank and all cannot go in your check-in baggage. Also you might need selfie stick on the way, so this bag is going to be in my handbag, but I can keep the extension cord inside. Before you are packing, don't forget to check the luggage allowance so that you only pack how much it is allowed, and don't forget to weigh your luggage. Another thing that I have not packed but it is very important is your basic accessories like belts, then your earrings, jewelries, anything, watches, whichever you want to carry. So those kind of accessories, make a kit of that, and don't forget that as well. Next is empty bags. So we take these kinds of empty bags with us, which we use to keep our used clothes because you wouldn't want to mix everything together. तो जो हमारे used clothes होते हैं, we keep it separate and we pack in these kinds of bag. This also goes in my check-in bag. तो जैसे जैसे हम use करते जाएंगे कपड़े, they will go into this. Now let's move on to our next category, which is travel comfort items, which includes things like your neck pillows, eye mask because sleeping in flights is necessary. अगर आप किसी भी trip पे fresh पहुंचना चाहते हो, you are really going to need that. Then your earplugs, hand wipes, sanitizer, all these things which you should keep handy or in your cabin bag. So I'm going to keep all these in my this cabin bag. Also the gadgets kit that we made, this also goes in my cabin bag. So I've kept everything for now in this bag because neck pillows आपको उस दिन पे चाहिए होंगे. So you can keep it in this, and whenever you need you can take them out. Apart from this, you can carry reusable water bottles and some light snacks to carry in your flight. So those all things that can go in your handbag or your cabin bag. Next topic is security and safety. So in this, don't forget to carry some anti-theft backpacks or your air tags and luggage locks. These are going to be very helpful for safety. इसके अलावा if you are carrying any kind of valuable, don't keep that in your check-in luggage. You can keep that in your handbag or your luggage or your cabin luggage, but not in the check-in bag. Now moving on to the very important topic of this entire video, which is documents, and these are non-negotiables. So if you forget any of these, you can simply ruin your trip. I would suggest you to make a checklist and don't forget any of these items. First very important thing is your passports, which should have at least 6 months of validity. Next is the printouts of all the documents like your visa, your hotel bookings, your flight bookings, and travel insurance. This is not mandatory though, but it is good to have. So if you are taking a travel insurance, get a printout, keep it with you. This is going to be very helpful. Along with that, don't forget to carry your passport size photographs. If you are going to a place where you have visa on arrival, they might ask you for that, and it can be very useful for you. Also, if you have a layover where you might need a visa, do check that with the airlines and then get it in advance. Keep a copy of that as well with you if needed. Now, next very important thing to keep is your cash. So if you are traveling anywhere outside of India, you can carry the currency of that country or USD, for which you can get exchanged from there. Since we are traveling to Laos, we are not going to easily find Laotian kips here in India. So we are carrying some USD with us, and after going to Laos, we are going to get that exchange. अगर आप कहीं ऐसी जगह ट्रैवल कर रहे हो जहां आपकी करेंसी चलती है या आपको वहां की करेंसी इंडिया में इजीली मिल सकती है, you can directly opt for that. Otherwise, carry some USD and get it exchanged there. That is the best thing to do. One very important thing that we have learned from our experiences, if you exchange $100 USD, you are going to get a better exchange rate rather than the smaller denomination like $10, $20. So if you are going to get a minimum of $100 converted, it is going to be best. For currency, I would say do a basic research of how much you are going to need in your entire trip so that you can carry an equivalent amount for that. And don't forget to keep this money distributed. Don't just keep it in one pouch, just keep it in separate areas so that it is safe. That was all about documents and currencies. So these things are going to go in our handbags. I'm not going to keep in my other bag, so I'll keep it later on. Let's move to the next category, which is important tips to remember. First point in this category is downloading offline map. Data might be expensive in the countries where you are traveling, so it is better to keep the downloaded map so that you can use it offline. Also, if you are going to some remote areas where you might not find signal, so you might get stuck. So it's better to keep the downloaded map for the cities where you are planning to travel. Second is learning basic phrases or downloading a Google Translator. This can come in really handy for the places where people might not know your language. They're mostly in touristy places, people know English, but what if you go to a countryside where people might not be comfortable communicating in that? So in that case, these basic phrases can save your day. Next point is not converting your currency at airports. Airports charge a high rate of exchange, which cannot be very good for you. So it is better कि आप जो currency है वो अपनी country से exchange कराओ or from the city where you are traveling to, but not at the airports. Next is again all the documents which I showed you. So try to keep all those handy in your handbag so that whenever you need it, you can have those ready. And don't forget to keep digital copy of all those documents as well as your basic identity proofs. Next point is carrying an international driving permit if you are planning to self-drive and explore the new country. If you don't have it, you might not be able to rent a scooter and drive in most of the countries. Some of the countries it might be allowed, but it is not the best thing to do. Last, very important tip is make a checklist for yourself. So write down what all you need, what all things are necessary for you, and just right before your trip, mark it done once you have packed it. So this is going to be very helpful just to remind you like what all things have already gone into your bag and what all things you are yet to pack. Well, that's everything that you need to pack for a perfect 8 to 9 days of an international trip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments what do you think about my packing tips, and if I forgot something, let me know. We are all packed up for our Laos trip and we are really excited about it. You have a lot of interesting content coming up your way, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, happy wandering!